Hi all mga sismars! Welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So, for today's video and content, another unboxing naman tayo ng isang Android phone. And we purchased this one of course online, amounting of 3,500. But originally, this is worth 5,000 plus. So, if you want to purchase this unit, just click the yellow basket here or the shopping bag on the left side corner of this video, or pwede nyo check yung links ating description box. So, we have here the Honor XB Battalion. So, XB Battalion. So, we have here the Honor X5B Plus. Ayan. So, this is ocean blue. And nakalagay nga dito dual SIM. May free case na siya. So far, wala namang masyadong specification na binanggit dito sa box. Kasi usually talaga yung mga box na bina-unbox natin, di ba? May mga nakalagay na specification, kinemi here. Pero this one, wala siyang quick specification. Pero, going back, let's open up the box and check the unit and inclusion, of course. Just to be transparent, mga sismart, chinek na namin earlier to nung na-receive namin for us to make sure if by any chance na may sira ba yung phone, ayan, para ibabalik namin kagad pa habang nandiyan pa si Kuyang Rider. So, inclusion of the box, as mentioned, meron daw siyang free case, ayan, silicone case. We have here a manual, and that's it. Meron tayo ditong pin eject tool or pin ejector. We also have here adapter and Type-C charging cord. Okay, so Type-C charging cord. Alright. Okay. So, let's check the unit already. Okay, gigilid lang natin tong box. And check natin kung gaano nga ba kaganda to. Medyo bago sa akin yung ganitong itsura ng unit. Yung naka-plastic lang, na parang ice candy, ganon. So, ito yung ating unit, as you can see right here. Medyo bago siya sa akin kasi nila ako nag-unbox ng ganito yung cover ng phone. Usually kasi meron pa siyang protector here, yung ipinipeel off mo. Sa right corner, we have the power button and also the volume up and down. And then we have here the speaker. We have here Type-C charging cord, microphone, and earphone jack. Left corner, we have just a plain static pad. Oh, sa upper corner, nandito ang ating SIM tray and microphone. Let's check the camera module of this phone in 1, 2, 3, and okay. Alright, so this is the camera module. We have square camera module in here. We have one lens, flash. I don't know if this one is also a camera, pero this one is just a design. Sa details niya, this is a matte finish with sort of hindi siya hindi siya sobrang matte, pero para siyang I don't know, para ang hirap niya explain kung anong tawag sa ganun. Rough yung kanyang likod, ayan. Ayan hindi siya ganun kagilis. Ito yung magandang mga phone, yung hindi madaling kapitan ng mga fingerprint, and then yung hindi siya prone sa micro scratches, ayan. So, we have Honor brand in here. Ang ganda ng kulay niya, ha? And then, if ititilt mo, wala namang sort of effect, pero maganda yung kulay niya. So, ayan. So, open na natin muna tong unit na to, and then, i-set up ko lang to real quick. Balikan ko kayo. So, ayan. Tapos na tayong mag-set up, mga sismars. So, as you can see, ito na yung ating Honor X5B Plus. Okay. So, check natin kung gaano siya ka-smooth. Okay. So, check natin yung settings. About phone. Okay, so Honor X5B Plus, ayan. nga. Okay. Okay. Front facing. Ooh. Maganda ah. In fairness. So, maganda naman yung camera niya. So, stay tuned mga sismars sa camera review, full review, and also game test nitong Honor X5B Plus natin. Again, mga sismars, nasa left side corner ng video natin kung saan nyo mabibili to. 3,500 na lang to mga sismars. So, thank you so much. My name is Maring Ana. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, A.Stories. See you ulit sa ating next na camera review, full review, and also game test. Buyers!